Hello everyone. In exercise 6.2, we have to solve these linear inequalities in 2D plane. 2D plane means you have to show it on graph x and y axis. Okay. So very easy exercise. अगर ये हमें आसानी से clear हो जाती है exercise, then we can able to do the next exercise very carefully. Okay. In this exercise हम linear equality को जब हम ग्राफ पे शो करेंगे, we have to show the shade also. Okay. तो before that what you have to do, you will take the normal equation, linear equation. हाँ, अब हम इसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. In all the linear inequalities हम क्या करेंगे? Normal equations we will take it, linear equation, we will take the linear equation and then plot the value on the graph. Okay, so for that the concept you know that very well, x, y, 0, 5, y 0, then x 5, 1, then it will be 4. We will get this thing. Is it clear? Ab, while plotting the values on the graph, देखिए ध्यान से, you have to plot these values in the graph. आपकी values then -1, and here you will take like this. Okay, now plot these values 0 and 5, this, then 5 and 0, and 1 and 4, ये आ जाएगा. अब one thing you have to be very careful. देखिए, this is the strict inequality. Strict inequality जिसमें equal sign नहीं है. It is either greater than or less than. जब इस type की inequality होगी, then you have to show the dotted line. In such type of inequality where the inequality is the strict inequality, then join it with the dotted line like this. और इस केस में क्या होगा? This is the slack inequality, तो आप joint पूरी डार्क लाइन से उसको ज्वाइन करेंगे. बस ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, फर्स्ट थिंग. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दिस, आफ्टर पुटिंग द ज्वाइनिंग द लाइंस विद द डॉटेड लाइन, अब हमें इसको शेड करना है. शेड करने के लिए सबसे आसान तरीका, इजीएस्ट वे, आप क्या कीजिए? टेक पुट 0 0 in the inequality. 0 0. अगर आपके इक्वेशन 0 से पास नहीं हो रही है तो it will be better if you will take 0 and 0 coordinates here. Okay. अब अगर हम ये पुट करते हैं in the linear equality, let's see, 0 plus 0 is 5, 0 is less than 5. So tell me whether it is false or true. 0 क्या 5 से छोटा है? Yes, it is true. This is true. अगर ये true होता है, after putting the coordinates as 0 0, अगर वो true होता है तो जिस तरफ वो coordinate है उस तरफ आपके shading आएगी. और अगर ये false आता है, we will take the other example questions also. अगर वो false आता है तो towards the other side. जो भी आप कोऑर्डिनेट, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट ऑलवेज यू हैव टू टेक 0 0 कोऑर्डिनेट, लेकिन क्या होता है 0 0 कोऑर्डिनेट लेने से आपको सॉल्व करना आपके लिए आसान हो जाता है. सो हियर इट इज कमिंग एज ट्रू, तो जिस तरफ of 0 0 आपने कोऑर्डिनेट लिया है, you will put the shading on that, towards that side. Is it clear? Towards that side you will put the shading, and don't forget to write it here, x plus y equal 5. Clear? Have a look on this. Again you will find the values x0, y6, then y0, then x3. Again we will show it on the graph. Like this, x dash 0 and this is y dash. Put the value 0 and 6 and 3 and 0. Ab, in this is the slack inequality. Equal sign bhi hai. So how we will join it? We will join it with the dark line. Dark line. Is it clear? Again, for shading, we will put 0 0 coordinates. किस में put करने हैं? Inequality में put करने हैं. So if we will put it 0 plus 0 greater than equals to 6, so 0 is greater than equals to 6. अब ये बताइए ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है? दिस इज फॉल्स. दिस इज फॉल्स. अगर फॉल्स है, एज आई हैव टोल्ड इट, जो आपने कोऑर्डिनेट लिया है उससे टुवर्ड्स द अदर साइड यू विल डू द शेडिंग. लाइक दिस यू विल डू द शेडिंग. ओके, ऑन द अदर साइड, एंड हियर यू विल राइट 2x plus y equals 6. Don't forget to write the equation. Take this one, x, y, x is 0, then y is minus 2. If y is 0, x 2. Now again same procedure. Minus 2 and 2. This is 0, x 0 and y is minus 2, and x is 2, y is 0. This is which type of inequality this is? Slack inequality. Equal का sign है, so we will show it with the dark line. अब हमें क्या करना है? You will put 0 0. So in inequality you will put it 0 minus 0 less than equals to 2, 0 less than equals to 2. 0 is less than equals to 2. तो ये क्या है? ट्रू है. 0 is less than 2. तो जिधर 0 है you will 0 0 coordinates, तो आप उस तरफ towards that side you will show the shading, and here you will write x minus y equal to. Clear? Quite easy. This exercise is quite easy. Look at the third one. Here it is given x equal minus 3. So x equal minus 3. तो ये कैसे ग्राफ प्लॉट होगा? And this is the strict inequality. So you will show it with the dotted line. Dotted line you will show it. अब हमें again we will take 0, x as 0, y is not there, so we will take only the x value here. So take, put x equals 0. So if you will, in linear inequality, so 0 is greater than minus 3. True or false? 0 minus 3 से बड़ा है. This is true. True. So जो आपका 0 है, towards, since it is true, so towards 0 you will show the shading, and here you will write it x equal minus 3. I think it's quite easy to find out its आंसर ऑफ लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी इन 2D प्लेन। तो हमने जीरो, मान लीजिए कोई ऐसी लीनियर इक्वेशन है, लीनियर इनइक्वालिटी है जो जीरो से ही पास हो रही है, देन यू विल नॉट टेक द कोऑर्डिनेट्स एज 0 0, बिकॉज उससे हमारा ट्रू फॉल्स नहीं पता चलेगा। इन दैट केस यू विल टेक एनी अदर कोऑर्डिनेट, okay, which do not lie on the line, which do not lie on the line, that coordinate you will take it. In next exercise we will follow that. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.